Hey guys, this is Rosakelly. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here to give you a quick walkthrough and also a restock alert on the website. So I just went ahead and restock a few of these books. So I have three different books to share with you. So I have the 8x8 all white album, and this one has 6 signature pages. So perfect if you want to create a monthly baby book. And so you can do 12 months, and also you will have the inside covers if you want to add like a baby shower ultrasound section, and also the last page if you want to add a large picture for a birthday or a big display on the back. Then I have these two books are 8.5 by 7, and I wanted to just mainly explain the difference. So this book, this is my dual tone. I have tutorials for all these books, by the way. I'm gonna have try to link them all below. And so this is the dual tone, so you'll find this on the website. This is an 8 by 7, and you will see this on the picture, but you also have the option to order all craft color instead of the dual tone. And this one here is the same size, same number of pages, which are 5 signatures, and this one, it's a different layout from that. So on the listing you will see the black album as the main picture, and also you can order this on black or white. And so yeah, so now let's go ahead and look at this book. So this is the 8x8 with 6 signature pages, again perfect for a baby book. The inside covers are just plain. You can add a large picture in there. It opens up like that. Then here this opens up, we have a belly band. Then we have over here this little section that opens up, and this is a sliding page. I have done a walkthrough of this book before, and also like I mentioned, I have the tutorial for this, so I will try to link it below. And this opens like that. All of these tutorials have cutting guides that are also available on the website. So over here we have a 3D kind of page display on this pocket, but you can also add more photo mats on that pocket. This opens and opens and opens up like that, and then over here this page opens up, and then we have a pocket. So again, trying to think of the layout. When I designed this, I was thinking specifically of a baby book, so I wanted to create some space where you can put your monthly bubbles and all of that. And I am actually working on a different baby book tutorial, full tutorial using my digital collection, which I haven't been able to finish, so I will get working on that, and I will be sharing that real soon as well. So then this page opens up, and then over here we have a fun 3D pop-up display, and then the back page is just a large layout here. So this is in the 8x8, and I will do a quick walkthrough, although I just posted a video reveal for this one, but just want to kind of mainly share the main difference. So the inside page section for these books are 6.25 by 8.25. So the pages are a little bit more taller, I guess you would say, compared to the 8x8, and because they are a little bit more narrow, the book just looks leaner. I actually love this size. I really like these books, and I love the dual tone. I know a lot of you have been loving these dual tones, so I went ahead, and what I did to restock the website, I has just created a bunch of pages. So again, you have the option to get the craft color with the craft color cover, because I haven't finished the covers, or you can get the craft color with the black cover, which is exactly like this one here. And on this page here, this opens up and down, this opens to the side, and then we have a pop-up. And over here, this one, sorry, I'm all out of order. So this is a pocket, and this page tucks into the pocket to create the closure, and then this opens up and down like that. Again, you can put photo mats on the inside of the layout, and then just kind of secure everything in place. This is a sliding page, so it goes up and then it opens to the side, and then it goes down, and then it opens to the other side. And then you also have that belly band here on the back that you can use to add some more layouts. Oops, I always have issues pushing this back up. Here we go. And then on this page, this just simply opens and opens. And then over here we have some twin pages. So these are accordion folds, and they open and open up like that. So really fun books to decorate. This is up like that. All the books don't include magnets. As you can see, they come as I'm showing you. Here's a little photo area, 5 by 7, and then this opens up and down. And then over here we have a pocket, so that just keeps that closed. Here another kind of similar idea. This is a pocket with a little belly band, and then this piece just kind of hangs on the top belly band. Here you can of course add more photo mats there, but I just like kind of having that tag inside the pocket. And then the back just opens and opens. So this is the dual tone style, and then this is the newest black, all black, that I recently did. And again, this is available in black and white. Opens up like this, and this opens, we have a pocket, opens, and then we have a double. It's kind of like version 2 of this book. Kind of similar layouts, similar size. I wanted to include more large layouts on this book here, but also you have kind of like the same amount of 3D pop-up pages, just different. And then this opens. Here we have a pocket, a double accordion fold. This opens and opens, and then this over here is the easel card display, and then a pocket back there. And then this opens and opens. So I just wanted to do this quick walkthrough and kind of explain the differences. So because in the website, you know, sometimes it's hard to tell from the pictures of the book. So I'm going to have all of these linked below. I'm going to have different links that will take you directly to these. And again, I will have the tutorials linked below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.